In my last video that I shared with you, I talked about all the tips and tricks I learned growing my YouTube channel to 100,000 that I use to help grow my Twitch channel. That's an excellent video. I really recommend checking it out. I'm gonna put it in the top of the corner up here that goes over some key tips that'll help you grow. But in this video, I kind of want to do the opposite. I want to share with you all the things that I learned on Twitch that I incorporated into my YouTube channel that really helped me get explosive growth. This is an awesome video for anyone out there that wants to start doing YouTube going into this next year, or if you've already started your journey on that platform. Trust me, this is going to help you refine and get explosive growth in your YouTube channel. Let's go. Are you ready to take it to some noobs on the new Call of Duty Black Ops Cold War? Oh man, I know I am. And I'm gonna look extra clean and slick with the brand new overlay package from Own, the Survival Series. Beautiful reds, whites, and blacks to give me that bold, clean look to make me stand out on my streaming platform. Those kids won't know what hit them. Want that extra cherry on top? You can save even more money by using the links in the video description down below. Help support my channel by clicking through them, and also help support your wallet by saving some extra cash. Now, back to the video. What is up, all you awesome streamers? Wild for Games here to make sure you become bigger and better with your online content and streaming. If you guys need any help, make sure you hit that big red subscribe button down below, because I love sharing my tips and tricks and my passions with you. Now, let's get right into what we're going to share from what I learned on Twitch that's going to help you grow on YouTube. One of the best things you can start off doing right away that I applied to my Twitch channel is I concentrated some of my efforts on niches. Yeah, you can stream games and hope to grow that way, but you're in a flooded market. But when you can find funnels and tunnels that lead to niches, it really helps you grow. And this is what you want to do on YouTube as well. When you can find particular niches, it helps with the relevance, the searchability, and it will help you get discovered, which means you will start ranking for all the content that you're making. Start with niches and it'll help you grow. Also, really quick, when you find niches that work for you, double down on them. Double down hard. I did this when I was first on Twitch when I did the creative category, and it started doubling down super hard on my painting streams, and I got explosive growth. So I did the same thing with my YouTube channel. I started making content that was based around mobile streaming, and it took off. So I started doubling, and doubling down even more, and those videos are some of my most successful videos to today. One of the best things I ever did in my YouTube channel that I learned from Twitch is I found a group of like-minded people. Friends, colleagues, parents, people I really trusted to give me honest feedback. And this is super important when you start your YouTube journey. Also really important on Twitch, because these people will give you honest feedback on what's good and what's bad. So that way you know what to, again, double down on, or just kind of remove that's holding you back, or improve on that set of skills. And the best part is when you have a tight-knit group of people that you trust, that are your friends or colleagues, guess what? That's also going to increase a bump in viewership when you start posting YouTube videos, because you can say, hey, check out this video. Can you please let me know what you thought about it and if you have any feedback? So that way, yeah, you get the feedback, plus you get the viewership, which is going to help with the YouTube algorithm. If there's one thing that I've learned by streaming on Twitch, it is community is everything. So make sure you build a good one and a strong one. When you build an awesome community with a strong foundation, it helps with your personal branding, and it actually helps spread awareness across your YouTube videos and other social media platforms. When it comes to streaming platforms, in my personal opinion, I find it a lot easier to build a strong and awesome community, because you have so many more tools at your disposal to help reward users that are consuming your content on streaming platforms. When it comes to YouTube, it's a little bit more difficult. You still have some things you can do. For instance, the easiest one is make sure you reply to all the comments that are left on your videos and on your channel. You also want to make sure that you can try to help users within your channel by reaching out to them on direct messages or platforms like Discord. This is a great way to strengthen your community. You also want to make sure that you take time to listen to the feedback that you're getting from all the users that are giving you suggestions. This is an awesome way to take this in, see what you can do for future content that you know already that your viewers are going to like, because they've already told you they want to see it from you. When you do all these, you're help building your community on YouTube, which is going to help you grow within your YouTube adventures. Standing out is super important, so make sure you find something that's going to make you different. And this can be a bunch of different things. Lighting, having a gimmick, being a character. But this is super important because, yeah, I'm sorry, YouTube is flooded. The good news is it's flooded with a bunch of crap. So you can still easily stand out on this platform as long as you're smart about how you do it. When you find something that makes you stand out, trust me, you will grow super fast. The thing that helps you stand out doesn't even have to be game changing. That's the awesome part about this tip. It can be something simple or something that nobody's really incorporated into the type of content that you want to generate and share on YouTube. See what people are doing within your type of content that is lacking, and see how you can give your own personal spin and incorporate it into your content. And it can be simple things, like we said. Hey, it could be better lighting, or you could add humor to your videos, or maybe unique angles with higher angles, low angles, or close-up showing detail of what you want to give for the information that's going on in the video. There are so many easy little things that a lot of people don't do that you can take advantage of to stand out. If there's one hard lesson that I learned on Twitch that prepared me mentally for YouTube, is you will have people that watch your content day after day, week after week, month after month, or maybe even year after year. And then all of a sudden, poof, they're gone. And it really, really affects you as a streamer because you feel like you're losing your regulars or feeling like you lose the core people of your stream. In YouTube, this is super common because people generally only show up for one piece of information. Generally, they have a question, you supply that answer or value, and they're gone. You need to learn to make sure you're always delivering something, whether it be a value, an answer, or whatever is lacking, so that way people always come back and want to keep binging your content constantly. To be honest, this is one of the most tough things you're going to learn about YouTube, because you're going to want to experiment, and some things work and some things don't, and when things don't, you have the opportunity of actually losing more people because you feel like you alienate them. It's a very tough game on this particular aspect, but the core piece of information I want to make sure that you take away from at least this one tip is find out what the value is of your channel and make sure that's always at the center of it, okay? So that way you don't alienate people. There's always one center point they keep tuning in for. Does that make sense? I think that makes sense. I hope it makes sense. If not, we're still moving on. One of the best tips is remove the toxic. Oh my Lord, on Twitch, it will prepare you for all the toxic people in your life that try to bring you down for, I don't know what apparent reason. I guess some people are just naturally mean or just don't have a life. Anywho, this will prepare you though for all that will happen on YouTube. You thought people were mean on Twitch. Wait till you get to YouTube, where there's a lot more anonymity, and people will just let you know right to your digital face how they feel and what your content is about. And if you have things that are being toxic within your channel, hey, there's ways to deal with it, obviously. We'll get to that in another video. But if it feels like it's going to affect who you are as a person and a content creator, hey, nothing better than deleting the comment and hiding the user from your channel. Don't let them get to you. You're the rock star. They're nothing. They're nothing in the pantheon of everything that's good in this world. You concentrate on you. Time, ban out, hide user, delete comment, move on with your day, and keep being awesome. One thing I never really saw a lot in the beginning of my streaming career, but I'm starting to see it a lot more from a lot of streamers, which is good, is always remember to say thank you. When you can say thank you when you're streaming, it just gives so much more of a genuine side of you that people really appreciate, and it resonates with the viewing audience. And if you can incorporate this into YouTube, letting people know that you're thankful for their viewership, you're thankful for the fact that they gave a comment, you're thankful for the fact they went through your affiliate links, you're thankful for the fact that we reached certain milestones. When you can say thank you, it's helping your channel give out that honest appeal and that genuine flavor that people love to absorb, and it's going to help create that awesome connection with you that is going to make viewers tune in every time you publish a new video. The next few tips here are very important tips, but I'm gonna go over them really quick. So we're just doing a lightning round on them because I go a little more in depth about them on my last video, which you can still see right up there. Check it out, helps me. Thank you very much. See, I said thank you. One of the most important things that you need to know if you plan on doing your YouTube journey is please expect slow growth, because yes, it is going to be a grind. YouTube is all about trying to feel out what is working and a lot of trial and error until things catch fire and then things are off to the races. But it is going to be a grind, so expect slow growth at the beginning. When you're having this slow growth, you know what you need to do? Make sure you don't get mad or upset from other people that are growing way faster than you. You have no control over what they are doing, so don't get mad. Only concentrate on what you can produce as a content creator and how you can make it better. And of course, be genuine. This goes back into your value that we always keep talking about. When you can be genuine, it helps spread your personal brand and awareness that we stated before. Being genuine, even if you're playing a character on YouTube, really does resonate with people, and it's something that just, I don't know, subconsciously reaches them on a particular level to where they love supporting you because they love who you are, because you share that genuine side of you. So don't forget to do that. YouTube is one hell of a fun and excruciating journey. I can tell you from personal experience, it's been one of the most rewarding things, and it's been one of the most challenging things I've ever done. But I know everybody out there can succeed on YouTube if you put a little correct time and energy into it. And yeah, you need a little bit of help and a little bit of guidance, which is why I want you to subscribe to this channel. Coming up very shortly, I'm going to start doing a lot of how-to YouTube videos to help you grow. This way, you're going to be off on the right journey to start your adventure, because I want you to find financial independence and have a little bit of fun along the journey. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. But until then, I'm going to put a couple tips and trick videos over here to the side that's really going to help you out with your streaming adventures, because I still give great tips on that. Until next time, all of you awesome people, have a good one, take care, and of course, peace.